Hello, my name is Thomas and I'm 4.5. Hi, my name is Thomas. My name is Ollie. Hi, my name's Holly and I'm 4.5. Today we're making a hand sculpture. Like this. Yeah. Mummy, please measure out the water. Mummy, put the powder in your water. Be quick, Mummy! Be quick, Mama! Everybody hands ready. Play statues, Mummy and Daddy. Stay still, Mummy.
Sorry.
Stay still, Daddy. It feels like yucky slime, Mummy.
Yucky slime.
Mummy and Daddy are doing very well. Stop wiggling, Mummy.
Sorry.
Are you alright, Mummy and Daddy?
Yes.
Wiggle your fingers. Holly, wiggle your fingers.
Daddy, wiggle your fingers.
Well done, Mummy and Daddy. Well done, Mummy and Daddy. Mummy, put the water in the bowl.
There we go.
Good. Daddy, put the powder on the water. All of it, Daddy.
All of it?
Yeah.
All of it.
Daddy, mix it in yours. Well done, Mummy. Daddy, pull the stone in the bucket. That's the one.
Keep rolling, Daddy. Bit more, Daddy.
Bit more rolling.
Bit more rolling, Daddy.
Daddy, a bit more rolling.
Bit more rolling. Bit more, Daddy.
Okay.
Tap it, Daddy.
Tap it, don't bash it. Daddy, put it up. Gently tap it, Daddy.
Gently tap it, Daddy. Daddy, you can stop now, Daddy.
Okay.
Now we have to wait for half an hour. Well done, Mummy and Daddy.
Well done, Mummy and Daddy.
It's ready.
Mummy, turn it over. Now we have to peel off the goo.
Oh, wow. Look.
Oh, wow. Go on, Holly Pits.
Whose hand
Go
is
on,
that?
Whoa.
So pull at the top.
Wow.
Look at that.
We need to get the...
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. How cool is that?
Careful, careful.
My hand.
That's your hand.
That's Daddy's hand.
Should we stand it up? So look, when we stand up. Stand up.
Look.
Wow. Mummy, peel that off. Oh, that's my finger.
That's your finger.
That is my one.
Wow.
That's my finger.
That's mine.
It looks really cool.
That's mine. We need to take all these dotties off. Be careful, Mummy.
Pinky promise.